What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we're going to talk about Spirit Swap and why I'm so bullish on it, guys. But first off, guys, man, you guys must be aping in or something, because I just paid like an 800 Gwei gas fee on Phantom. It was nuts and ham, but the best part was it cost me about 40 cents. So okay, sounds like a lot of fun. But anyways, guys, we'll go ahead and talk about Spirit Swap, what they're looking to do, how they're changing the game, and why I just turned mega bullish on Spirit Swap. So guys, I'm going to try to keep this video as simple as possible, but the biggest thing you need to know, guys, is Spirit Swap is a AMM on Phantom. But I'm not really going to deep dive into like the project itself. I've already done a full deep dive on the project, but I want to talk to you guys a couple of things why I'm mega bullish on Spirit Swap. First off, it has to do with InSpirit. So InSpirit is like their staking platform. Right now they have 169 million total circulating. There's a total supply of 1 billion. Now you're like, Drake, it still has to 5x in supply. And I'm like, Buddy Freddy, it still has 4 years to do that. Now you're like, Drake, well, it's still going to inflate a ton of the tokens. And I'm like, Jeff, look, man, there's 85 million Spirit tokens that are locked. Like, they cannot be unlocked. They're pulled off the market. Now you're like, bro, why is that important? All right, so if you have 85 million Spirit locked and there's 169 circulating supply, you basically can just cut that in half. That is circulating on the market. So now when a bunch of people start hearing about Spirit Swap and are like, whoa, this is fire sauce, this is awesome, they will start wanting to buy some Spirit tokens. There's half as many that is really on the market, hence why, well, it'll be mega price action in my opinion. Not financial advice. You'll probably get wrecked. You'll probably lose a lot of money. So don't listen to a word I say. Seriously, I lose money all the time. So the best tip of advice is anything I say, do the complete opposite. So if that gives you some info, go about it that way. Another important concept is this. They have a burning mechanism. So right here, you guys can see the burning mechanism, and this is the amount of Spirit that is being released every single block. Literally earlier today, while I was taking a look at video, making the video, getting the content, etc., the TVL in here was like 50, or no, I'm sorry, it was like 30 million. Now it's like 50 million. But then again, it's probably priced in the Spirit token, so that plays a role in itself. But now I'm going to talk about the bullish narrative that I have, or the bullish thesis. If you guys look at InSpirit, it gives utility to the token. So instead of just doo-doo governance, you can actually stake your stake your Spirit tokens to get InSpirit, and you can get 1x, 1.5x, 2x, 2.5x on these staking pools. So if you go to the farms over here, right in here, you will be able to get, like, on top of the 4.6% or 6.9, it'll be like 1x, 2x, 3x, depending on how much InSpirit you have. So it increases the amount of rewards you get. So it's a utility token. And you can check out the farms here. Here are some other boosted farms as well that they have on the native Spirit platform. But when you have InSpirit, it is going to be boosting your rewards. That's why I'm ultra bullish on it. Second is they have a lending and borrowing mechanism. Don't tell anyone I told you this, but eventually they are saying, possibly, what will happen in the future, it is coming soon, that the LP tokens you provide, you will be able to get a loan against them, like, stable coins, and take those stable coins and deposit them into another pool and earn yield on it. What? Yeah, dude. Welcome to DeFi. Anyways, you guys get the point. And they have a borrowing and lending platform. You guys know how bullish I'm on borrowing and lending platforms. Why? Well, do you remember what Aave did to Polygon? Do you remember what Banky did to Avalanche? Do you know what Scream Finance did to Phantom? Well, just wait till they get more and more borrowing and lending platforms. I think Phantom is a very small kept secret. So if you guys watch this video, don't ape in. Seriously, don't listen to a word I say. The only reason why I'm making this video is because I feel kind of guilty not talking to you guys about these projects. But anyways, that's just a thought to myself. So make sure you guys take a look into Spirit Swap, and we're going to go ahead and go into the docs so we can look at a couple more things. So here's what we were talking about in Spirit. To get in Spirit, users must lock Spirit tokens for a user-defined time frame. It can be from 1 week to 4 years. So basically how this works is locking Spirit for a longer time frame will give you larger amount of in Spirit. So for example, 10 Spirit will give you, for 1 year, is 2.5 in Spirit, where 10 Spirit for 4 years is 10 in Spirit. So basically a 1-to-1 ratio. So basically you're getting 4x what you normally would get. In Spirit slowly decreases in the user's wallet until it reaches 0. This signifies the lock period has ended and the user can withdraw the Spirit. So the more in Spirit you have, the more rewards you can get on the protocol. So obviously, as you guys can see, over time, as that goes down, you'll get less and less rewards, but eventually you'll be able to access your Spirit tokens again. So good for you, Johnny. Now, protocol profits. Protocol income is distributed to in-Spirit holders. So 0.5% or 0.05% of the swap fee on Spirit Swap is given to the in-Spirit holders. Protocol fees are used to buy back Spirit and distribute it to the in-Spirit holders once a week. Also, the farming boost, like I explained, you guys can read this here and figure out what it is. And then, of course, you have governance rights. So good for you, Johnny. Not only that, but the team is really smart. Like they built in a lot of game theory behind this project. I mean, I love Spirit Swap. You guys should check it out. I'm not only bullish on Spirit Swap, I'm bullish on Boo as well, which is Spooky Swap. But I'm more bullish on Spirit Swap, especially like the price appreciation wise, because it's going to be coming from, it was like $15 million market cap earlier today. Now it's already a $36 million market cap, but we'll see. Time will tell. We'll see what happens. Just wanted to make this quick video for y'all. Take a look at Spirit Swap. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. Tater tot. Tater tot. Dude, you guys think I forgot about the wisdom one-liner? Proverbs chapter 17 verses 12. Better to meet a bear robbed of her cubs than a fool bent on folly. Oh, snap. That's awesome, man. If you guys don't get what that means, have you guys ever seen an angry mama bear? Yeah, you probably haven't because you haven't lived to tell the story. You probably would have died if you saw one. But the point is yeah, you don't want to see a mama bear, especially angry. Same thing with a fool bent on folly. That means he's like constantly just doing his same junk, different day type of thing. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the next one. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho, Matias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes. Isn't that a band? Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, If you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.